In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the power window switch on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. We're going to take the bezel off. First, there's this trim piece on the inside here. You can use a pick or a screwdriver. Just get underneath and just push it towards the outside of the vehicle. And you just pop that off and it slides out. Now take your trim tool, just go under here. Just want to roll it out a little bit. It just pops up. It slides right out. Disconnect the connector right here, just push down on the tab and it slides right out. I'm going to take the switch off. There is 3 screws holding this on. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull these screws out. You can take the switch right off. Take the switches, line it up, and get all the screws started. I'll just get them all started first and then we'll tighten them down. All right, now just snug them down. Just snug. It is in plastic, so you don't want to tighten them too tight. Now connect the connector. Line that up. Take the bezel. You just get this all lined up. And just push it down. Make sure that's all good. Take this piece right here. I'm going to line this up in the back and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.